me try this again. Chapter 9, Principal's Office. I'm scared. In the office, nice ladies type on computers asking if I want water. I don't want anything except not to be here. There's a door with a gold nameplate and black letters, Principal Thompson. Maybe that's where they have straps and whips, paddles to punish kids. Bells ring, lunch, my stomach rumbles. Miss Garcia steps into the office. You've thought about your behavior? Before I can answer, she says, come along, Deja. Phew, I'm lucky I didn't have to go behind the door. I follow Miss Garcia, but she doesn't lead me to the cafeteria. We go back to homeroom. I touch the letters on the door, homeroom 5. Oh, this is home too, I mean, another kind of home. Miss Garcia smiles, opening the door. She's not even mad anymore. Good thinking, Deja. You like our homeroom? I do like it, I think, but don't say. Sunshine, windows, calendars, maps, even a globe that spins. I pick up my clay room. It's so ugly. What's this? Miss Garcia lifts Ray's paper cutouts. Ray made me promise to bring them to school. You've a brother and a sister? Yes, ma'am. Ray cut these paper dolls. He's smart. And Lita, my little sister, drew the mouths. It was nice of you to let them help. Miss Garcia is looking at me like she sees me, understands how hard things are for me. She makes me nervous. I chatter. Ray should be in pre-K or something. He doesn't say much, but he understands a lot. He already knows his numbers and colors. I know I'm chattering, but Miss Garcia doesn't seem to mind. He must be very smart. He's the only one who really made home. You mean he got it right? I do. Buildings, spaces are important. She turns her head, staring across the river at the new skyline. Then she looks at me, the paper dolls dangling, but still connected. Seems like this is your home, your people, your family, not the room, but them. We've lived all kinds of places, but our family has always been together. I look around at the other projects, more drawings, homes made from popsicle sticks, even Legos. Angel baked a gingerbread house, but I'm the only one with people. Miss Garcia lays the cutouts on the table. Everyone's house is better than a room in Avalon, but I've got Ray, Lita, Ma. I love them all, even Pop, though he makes me mad too. Is family a home? What makes home so special? Asked Miss Garcia. You. Thank you, Deja. And who else? I'm supposed to say friends, but I don't think Sabine is going to be my friend anymore. I shrug. Let me read your essay. I didn't write it. Miss Garcia's smile slides off her face. I feel bad. Another missed homework, and I'll have to meet with your parents. Pop would be a mess if he didn't come. Ma would lose pay. I'll do it now. I borrow Ben's pencil and tear a sheet from Sabine's notebook. I still don't have a backpack or school supplies. Miss Garcia heels click-click down the row, and she puts a brown sack from her desk drawer. She click-clicks back. I'm not crazy about cafeteria food. She hands me half a sandwich, PB&J. Who knew teachers like PB&J? Can't you eat free in the cafeteria? No, but you could. Yeah, well, at my old school, almost all the kids got free lunches. Not so many here. I don't want to stand out. I take the sandwich. Strawberry on brown bread. Ma says wheat bread is good. Avalon only uses white. Miss Garcia holds 2 plastic bags. One carrots, another celery. Which one? Carrots. We'll both have a working lunch. She clicks back to her desk. The sandwich is good. I feel good in homeroom with Miss Garcia. It wouldn't be nearly as nice if I were by myself. I look out the window at the skyline, wishing I could understand how Miss Garcia sees it. I like her. I want to be a better student. I write, Essay by Deja. I thought I knew home was a place, but it's more. Home is where you have your family, your people, family. But maybe home is also friends? Can school friends be like family? I think so. Else why call classes homeroom? When I'm grown, I still want to have a nice home. Buildings, I mean, not stinky Avalon. Done, I holler. Miss Garcia sits beside me. She fits in a kid's chair even though she's grown. She reads. I hold my breath. Good, Deja, but you can do better. What's wrong with it? I wrote it. Miss Garcia ought to be happy. An essay is like you asserting things you know or believe are true. Asserting? Writing with confidence. Take your first 2 sentences. I thought I knew home was a place, but it's more. How can you write more forcefully, more concisely? Concisely? Clearly. Not using extra words. Peanut butter is choking my throat. I want to cry. Miss Garcia pats me on the back. Your ideas are right there, Deja. You said it. Just say it better. My eyebrows pinch together. Home. Go on. Home is more than a place. Excellent. That's your thesis, your main idea. Spaces, buildings are more important, but never as important as the people inside. You should thank your little brother. I will, says. I knew Ray was smart. What else do you have to do? Apologize to Sabine. I don't tell Miss Garcia I feel especially bad because Sabina has mentioned God, and I made fun of her. Pop doesn't believe in church, but before moving to Avalon, Ma would take me, Ray, and Lita to church. If Ma had heard me, she would have scolded me and said, Deja, I taught you better than that. Sabine's great. I was just upset because her house is big and everyone inside is happy.